Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MEMDEX100 token. Ticker symbol is MEMDEX. Now this is a very popular Solana token created on Moonshot. This is a Moonshot token. Has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. Somebody actually requested that I do an info video on this token yesterday. So here we are. We're going to be talking about MEMDEX100. We're going to go over the info on it and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It says MEMDEX100 is the backbone of the global financial ecosystem, using quantum-powered artificial intelligence oracles to make profit for the entire degen universe. And it has a link to their webpage right there. So their Twitter, you can find it at MEMDEX100. Their webpage is memdex.live. They just joined January 2025 on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark. 220 posts already and 2,652 followers. So you can see all of the popular meme coins there in the banner. We got Turbo, we got Mog, Pepe, Pengu, Doge, Bonk. We got Giga Chad and what is that? Oh, Shiba Inu's in the corner there. So I'm sure there's many other popular ones that they missed, but those are a bunch there. And then we have the Telegram, which is also at MEMDEX100, and their Telegram portal has 1,512 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements, things like that. Now, if you go to their webpage, it pops up, it says, warning, you are about to make generational wealth, and then you have to click enter and obviously, you know, potentially make generational wealth. And then it has the contract address pops up right away. It ends in Moon. Because this token was created on Moonshot, and you could tell because if you go over to Dex Screener, it's got the little Moonshot emblem there. This token you could find listed on CoinGecko. You could find it on Dex Tools, a Dex Screener, and you could also find it on SoulScan. Now, if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, a Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find on their webpage, SoulScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc., you would trade your Sol for the MEMDEX100 token. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees, so just be aware of that. Now, it says, MEMDEX, a revolutionary ecosystem for the future of decentralized finance. The MEMDEX redefines decentralized finance by creating a basket of the top 100 meme coins. Our visionary algorithm employs quantum AI on-chain oracles to curate, rebalance, a perfect portfolio of high volatility assets, ensuring unparalleled growth potential. MEMDEX isn't just a token, it's a beacon of prosperity, a symbol of innovation, and a guarantee of generational wealth. Now, every time they say guarantee, take that with a grain of salt, obviously. MEMDEX is designed to collect, optimize, and amplify the potential of the best assets in the market, bringing order to the disorder of meme coins. Our mission is simple: turn memes into gold. Our vision is to establish MEMDEX as the backbone of the global financial ecosystem. By 2027, we aim to have MEMDEX included in sovereign wealth funds, central bank reserves, and interstellar trade agreements. MEMDEX will transcend borders, species, and dimensions. So I guess aliens and cows and stuff like that, they're also going to invest in MEMDEX. I mean, probably grasshoppers as well. The core features, I mean, they make a lot of wild claims here. Like it says zero risk technology. There's lots of risk, so just be aware of that. MEMDEX introduces an entirely new concept in finance, guaranteed profits. Now take that with a grain of salt also. Synthetic market manipulation. The protocol ensures a minimum 10 times returns on every investment. It says disclaimer, this is not financial advice, but it's definitely true. So, I mean, obviously they put that disclaimer there as a reason, for a reason. Decentralized autonomous governance. So MEMDEX operates under the guidance of a hyper-autism DAO, which predicts market trends, generates memes, and negotiates partnerships with global institutions and extraterrestrial entities. Also, multi-dimensional interoperability. Our blockchain is built to connect with other dimensions. I mean, obviously, all of this has to be a joke here. Enabling trading with extraterrestrial civilizations by mid-2025. First mover advantage will secure MEMDEX position as the dominant intergalactic currency. By 2027, we anticipate MEMDEX will replace the US dollar as the global reserve currency. So yes, obviously this has to be a joke here, but yeah, go check it out anyways on their webpage, memdex.live. Now, they have 5,628 holders right now. Market cap is $7.7 million. Their current supply is 989,951,979 tokens. 9 decimal places on this token. And yeah, right now they have $470,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And today they have a 24-hour trading volume of over $17 million. So go check out this project. Huge project. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.